Hey boys and girls, this week we're going to be doing a review of a bunch of things that we've learned in first grade. So the first thing we're going to do is talk about balancing equations. So having the same answer on both sides. So you've been given 4 numbers across the top of your paper. And I want you to think about which 2 numbers you could add together to make the same number on both sides. So in the first problem, if I were to add 8 and 3 together, I would get 11. But 7 and 2 would be 9. So that is not an equal equation or a balanced equation. So I want you to think for just a minute about 2 numbers out of 8, 3, 7, and 2 that you could put together to make a balanced equation. So this one's kind of easy because if we think 10 friends and we do 8 plus 2 and 7 plus 3, they both equal 10. So let's take a look at the next problem. We have 5 and 3 and 4 and 2. If we put 5 and 3 together, that's 8. 4 plus 2 is 6. So what's another way that I could switch those around? Could I do 5 and 4? That's 9. 3 and 2 and 5? That would be 5. What do you guys think? What about 5 plus 2 is 7? And 4 plus 3 is 7. Very good. Okay, so let's look at the next one. First, I want you to think of any strategies that we might have that we've used. And I wonder, are you able to see any numbers that we could make there that would be equal? So I was thinking that if we did 6 plus 4 and 9 plus 1, those both equal 10. Okay. Let's look at the next one. We have 8, 0, 1, and 9. So what are some strategies that we could think of that would equal the same answer? Could I do 8 and 0? That's 8. And 1 and 9? Well, that's 10, so that's not equal. What do you think? What about 8 plus 1 and 9 plus 0? Oh, did you hear that? There's thunder while I'm making my video. That's kind of fun. Okay, boys and girls, look at the next problem. We have 7, 4, 7, and 10. What 2 numbers can you add together on each side that would balance this equation? 7 plus 4 would be 11, and 7 plus 10 is 17. So I'm not sure about that. What do you think? How about 7 plus 7 is 14? And 4 plus 10 is also 14. Good. Okay, we have one more problem. We have 3 and 6 and 8 and 11. This one seems really hard. What numbers do you think? What if we did 3 plus 11? What's that? That's 14. Good. What's 6 plus 8? Yeah, that's also 14. Nice job balancing those equations, boys and girls. Flip it over on the back. We have it says a test at the top, but we're just reviewing. It's not really a test. Let's find the missing number. 4 minus what is 2? Yeah, it's 2. Very good. 9 minus what is 6? Put your pencil on 9 and count back until you get to 6. How many hops did you take? Good, the answer is 3. And one more missing number. Put your pencil in 8. How many hops till you get to 2? Good, there's 6 hops there. Okay, so now we need to fill in the missing sign to make it true. If I have the biggest number on the other side of the equals, we're going to be adding these together. But if the biggest number is on this side, we're going to be subtracting. So what do you think we're doing on this last one? Yeah, we're adding. Very good. So this is what we just barely did. Fill in the missing number to make it true. So what's 5 plus 2, boys and girls? What's 5 plus 2? That's 7. So what do I have to add to 6 to get to 7? Yeah, just 1. Very good. So let's do 3 plus 4. That's near doubles, so 6 plus 1 more is 7. So on this side, what do I need to add to 7 to make 7? That's a tricky one. Don't let it trick you. The answer is 0. Boys and girls, on this side, we have 3 plus 3. That's doubles. What's the answer? Good, it's 6. So what do I need to add to 2 to get to 6? Put your pencil on 2, and how many hops did it take to get to 6? 4. Nice. Okay, last one. We have 5 plus 4. That's near doubles because 4 plus 4 would be 8, so one more is 9. So we need to figure out what number plus 6 equals 9. Put your pencil on 6. How many hops to get to 9? 3. Nice job. All right, now at the bottom, we need to decide if the equation is true or false. So boys and girls, what's the answer to 5 minus 4? Those are number neighbors. So the answer should be what? It's 1, so that's false. Let's do 7 minus 2. 7, 6, 5. Yep, that one's true. And the last one, 8 minus 2. 8, catch 8, count back 2. 7, 6. The answer's not 3, it's 6. So that's false. Nice job today, boys and girls. Thank you.